Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how we can play music during Roblox voice chat on your mobile device. So if you've been wanting to share your favorite tunes with your friends in game, I'll show you how you can do it. So let's get started. So before we're diving into playing music, you need to make sure the voice chat is enabled on your Roblox account, and here's how you can do it. Open the Roblox app on your mobile phone and wait for the Roblox app to appear on your screen, the home page of the Roblox. After it appears, tap on the three dots, the menu in the bottom right corner, and go to Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings here. After opening the settings, you're just gonna go ahead and tap on Privacy. And under Privacy Chat, we need to make sure the voice chat is turned on. And note that you need to be over 13 and have a verified account to use voice chat. So if your account is verified and if you are already over 13, you just need to toggle off the option of the voice chat from this section here. So the next step is you need to use an external music app, for example, Spotify or YouTube or Apple Music. I'm just directly heading over to Spotify for now. After opening the Spotify on your device, start playing the music you want to share with others. After you are done starting playing the music with other, while the music is playing, open the Roblox and join the game with the voice chat enabled. You may just go ahead and look out for any of the game that you want to play, and you just need to make sure your microphone is turned on so that your microphone will capture the audio from your device, including the music, and broadcast it to others in the game's voice chat. Another step is adjusting the audio settings for clarity. To make sure your music sounds clear in the voice chat, you may need to adjust some settings. Open the settings on your phone, and here you may look out for sounds and vibration. Go ahead and open up sounds and vibration, scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called Separate App Sound. Just go ahead and tap on it and turn this option called Turn On Now. So if you turn this option on, it will play media sounds from other apps. You're just gonna go ahead and add apps here, which is Spotify. And that should do it. So by using an external app and broadcasting the sound to your mic, you can share tunes with your friends while you play. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more Roblox tips and tricks. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.